basic banded walkout. So this is the side or crab walk, and you're just going to be walking to the side, leaning forward, 5 steps this way and 5 steps back. Ooh. And then back. Oh, back.
Oh, that's nice. I'm feeling it.
And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then this one's pretty similar to that, but we are walking forward, kind of putting our legs out to the side each time. So,
okay,
it's like wide steps. So again, we're gonna do, I guess this time we do 10 forward because each leg is 1, and then 10 back. Yeah. Okay.
Like this way, right?
Yeah. And you stay facing backwards. So ready? Lead with our right foot. Ready? And 1, 2. I guess we'll stop there and go back. And
oh, this is nice.
yeah, this one feels good. I mean, it feels bad, but it's good. This is one of my favorites. We're gonna be doing a fire hydrant into a donkey kickback. So fire hydrant is when your leg is hiked out to the side, and then a kickback is when your leg is back behind you. But we're doing 5, yeah. We do 5 out to the side, then 5 behind us, then you switch to the other leg. 5 behind you, 5 out to the side, and you go right back into the other one.
Okay.
Okay, so starting with the right leg, fire hydrant, 5 of them. Ready, and 1. Into donkey kickbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fire hydrant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right into the other leg again. Okay. 1. And behind you. 1. Next leg. Ooh. For this one, we are going to be doing a deadlift into squat variation. So holding your dumbbell out in front of you like this, you're going to drop down into a deep squat, come back up, straight into a deadlift. And make sure you get a really good stretch at the bottom. So,
Oh, I feel it.
squat, deadlift. There we go. That's how you do it. Feeling so far?
I'm feeling good. I love it.
I
like
great.
pump.
Yeah, they give you a great pump, honestly. Okay, for our last one, we're doing single leg hip thrust into regular hip thrust.
Okay.
And we have these little leg weights on us. So go ahead and get into hip thrust position. For those of you who don't know, you're supposed to put yourself right below shoulder blade on the bench. And then you lifting one of your legs up with your knee. We're gonna go straight into 10 thrusts on one cheek. 1, 2, 10 into the other cheek.
Girl, I felt that. I love it. Okay.
Ready? 1. Straight into regular hip thrust. There we go.
Wow, that's really good.
I know, those ones are amazing.
You know what I just noticed? We're matching these shoes.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't reflect.
These are like the it girl shoes for the
I
gym,
know,
okay?
look at you, Melons.
All right, guys. Well, that concludes our workout for today. Hope you guys enjoyed and try these out at the end of your workout.
I know, it was really nice. You definitely will get that pump that you need.
Yes, ma'am. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow Virginia on YouTube.
Subscribe to her channel. You guys already know.
See you next time.
Bye.